Is Andhra heading for Cyclone Amphan? MJO or Madden-Julian oscillations enhances Cyclone Amphan, and that will be crucial to whole South India. The cyclone Amphan will move along east coast India, brushing Odisha and AP coast. The latest tracking is heading to Gangetic West Bengal. Sea conditions will become rough between May 17 and 20. The cyclone Amphan is enhanced by MJO or Madden-Julian oscillations. Now, what is MJO or Madden-Julian oscillation? The MJO is a major fluctuation in tropical weather on weekly to monthly timescales. The MJO can be characterized as an eastward moving pulse of cloud and rainfall near the equator that typically recurs every 30 to 60 days. Now, how can we measure the MJO? For this, the wind speed and the cloud convection is evaluated from an outgoing long wave radiation with the help of a satellite. After that, we record the two variables. That is, from upper troposphere, we record RMM1, and from the lower troposphere, we record RMM2. This is shown in the picture below. And here, the ensemble forecasting method is used, which means instead of exact prediction, it gives only a probability. Now, how to represent MJO diagrammatically? The tropical area where we have seen the cloud moving in the last slide is divided into 8 parts. These 8 parts have been shown in this box diagram. And the two variables RMM1 and RMM2 can be represented in this box diagram. Now, the MJO always propagates eastward, which is indicated by a counterclockwise line on this figure. Each of this yellow line represents an ensemble or probable member, and the light gray shading represents the area in which 50% of these probable members reside. And in between these, we can see a bold green line which represents the ensemble mean. If the ensemble mean comes inside the unit circle at the center, that means that the MJO is inactive. And if the ensemble mean comes outside the unit circle, the MJO is active. So, in this picture of MJO index forecast for 11th May 2020 to 25th May 2020, we can see that the ensemble mean curve, which is shown as the bold green line, is seen outside the unit circle, which just means that the MJO is active now. The transition of low pressure to depression, then deep depression to cyclone and a severe cyclone is aggravated by presence of this active MJO. The IMD or Indian Meteorological Department predicts that the MJO is active now up to 18th of May, and there is a prediction of a cyclone on 15th of May. Tracking of cyclone Amphan. As per IMD or Indian Meteorological Department, there is a low pressure area formed over Southeast Bay of Bengal. Then the cyclone moves northwest till May 17th. It is this time this cyclone may approach AP coast. Then it recurves and head towards north or northeast towards the Bay of Bengal during May 18 or May 19.